Hi, welcome to day 35 of 3D printing every day for 1 year. Today we are looking at the Knight from Flexi Factory. This Knight is absolutely freaking cool with the mask that closes. The face is just awesome. So here's its with its sword and with its shield, and it comes with a variety of different weapons. As you can see, it can also stand. So it comes with this flail, which is awesome. It has the battle axe, and we have the whole bit. I say this is an absolute winner as a present for the kids. They love it. It's very cool. This is a very cool little Knight.